Hi, my name is Daniel here at Swansway Honda Stockport, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used Honda E 35.5 kilowatt hour advanced auto. Now this vehicle has currently done 4,957 miles and it's finished in the colour Meteoroid grey. It does sit very nicely on 17-inch alloy wheels. You've got LED headlights which light up the road nicely, providing you with great visibility. In the boot you will find 171 litres of space. This can be increased to 861 litres with the rear seats down. Taking a look inside to the rear, you have your very stylish two-tone cloth interior. You've got two rear seats, both of which feature ISOFIX points, so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle. Up front you'll find your leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel. Moving around, up top you do have the sunroof, which allows sunlight to flood into the interior for a nice spacious feel. Moving to your front seats, and you've got plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat, so you can easily find the perfect driving position. To the left of the steering wheel you have controls for adjusting the infotainment system, as well as the display in the instrument cluster. To the right you have your adaptive cruise control, as well as the button for the heated steering wheel. On the display here in the instrument cluster you can see the range of miles you have left on your charge. There's also a digital speedometer and access to your audio, telephone and navigation menus. You also have your driver assist features here, including your lane departure warning system, blind spot monitoring and your pre-collision warning system to keep you safe and secure when you're on the go. Centered in the dashboard here you have your large touchscreen infotainment system. The system has access to all different features, including DAB and FM radio. You can also play your own music through USB and Bluetooth connectivity. You can see all of the different apps you have there. You've got Bluetooth telephone connectivity, allowing you to safely make hands-free phone calls while on the go. You can also connect your smartphone up through Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing you to safely make hands-free phone calls and texts, and even use compatible applications from your phone directly on the system. You do have navigation to ensure you're never lost, allowing you to head to all new places with ease. You also have your EV menu where you have your charging wait time schedule. You can also precondition the interior before you leave and the vehicle is on charge. You even have the aquarium, which is a nice touch to have while you're driving. It makes you feel much more relaxed behind the wheel. This Honda E comes with front and rear parking sensors and a 360 camera. There's also park assist to make parking as easy as possible. You also have the camera side mirrors for great visibility. Below from your touchscreen display you have your automatic air conditioning. It comes with heated front seats to keep you nice and warm on those colder days. Below here you have a 12-volt socket, a normal plug. There's also your two USB points and a HDMI slot. In the center here you have your automatic gear selector and electronic handbrake.